Hi, this is Chris Wheelock with Black Rock Underground. I am doing a Zipley fiber bore-through repair on 12-inch rib pipe up here at 12455 Southwest Winterview Drive. I am in the manhole on the downstream. Here's the construction. Doing a post video. Today's date is 7/27/2023. I had ran water and pressure washed out the line to the best of my abilities without a back truck. It was half pipe full of dirt. So I am going to proceed from the manhole to the repair. The repair was done with 12-inch 3034. There's the transition, another transition. Now we're back into 12-inch ultra rib. I'll just proceed down the line a little ways, just to all these to the catch basin run. There's the catch basin. Now I will pull back. There's the one side of the transition, there's the other one. Now I'll proceed to the manhole. And this will conclude my video.